Hi, this is Roger Peterson with PMMI Lighting. We're now getting to the meat of it. We're going to show you the enclosure we have designed for our ProLight 3 lighting system. This enclosure is 24 inches wide by 30 inch high. It provides all the room and wiring channels necessary to connect up to a maximum of 10 board, 6 driver board, 6 switchboard, 2 motion board, 1 daylight harvesting board system. That's a mouthful. Right now on this system that we're installing today, we have 2 driver boards, 2 switchboards. Remember, we have combined 2 switchboards into 1 motherboard now. We got 1 motion board and 1 daylight harvesting board, and of course the controller board. Now we have simulated a wall in an air-conditioned attic, climate-controlled attic like they're now building an awful lot of down here in Texas. But this could just as well be in the basement, in the mechanical room, utility room, but remember there are fans associated with this and also with the power supplies. So it must be mounted someplace where it's cool and where the noise won't bother you. But we have simulated a wall in a climate-controlled attic, and this enclosure is hinged on the left side. So as we open it, you will see the hole that has been cut in the lower left-hand corner behind the enclosure. The back panel that mounts all the boards in this enclosure is right in the center of the panel. The back half of the enclosure is for wiring to the lights, switches, motion, and daylight harvesting. The front half of the panel is to mount all the electronics and provide cooling for the drivers. So we'll swing it to the open position. We have already cut a 6x6 hole in the lower left-hand corner where the enclosure mounts. If you wish, you could cut out the entire 24 by 30 inch section behind there. It wouldn't matter. But we just need enough room to get the cables through. The important thing is when you pull the cables through, you leave adequate wire so you got room to bring the wire down to the lower left, dress it all the way up to where it goes, and down to plug into the boards. There is plenty of room behind here for the extra wire to go back behind when you close the enclosure. So don't try to save money on a few feet of wire. It's going to get to you in the long run.